object oriented as well as the Java programming. That is the same. Um, if you have a basic understanding of the array or the string, how you use, how to implement, how to initialize the variable, array variable, or how to implement, that is good. If not, so we will discuss the same thing in this lecture. If you feel this lecture helpful for you, please like, say, subscribe this channel. I will upload a lot of videos on the same related to coding, automation, as that experience or the career path. As well as I will upload a lot of podcasts with the respective my colleagues as well as my connection. Those are part of the good organization, MNCs or the big organization also. So you can subscribe this channel, like, share, subscribe as well as the comment also if you feel the content is helpful for you. Okay, let's start, guys. So this is the topic about the array or string. So let's go. First of all, we will go through the basics thing, then we will go jump to the coding part. Array. Array in the Java is a collection of elements of the same type stored in the contiguous memory and the index from the zero. It help us to manage data efficiently. For example, instead of the declaring 5 different integer variable, we can just use an array, integer array, numbers, and this is the way we are storing values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Oh, this is the data storing from the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. How you can implement the way. This is the loop which we are using. Loop int I equal to 0, I less than numbers dot length, I plus plus system dot out dot println indexing I plus number I. Okay, and this is the way. System dot out dot println. Another way without loop, what we can do, we can just print system dot out dot println in number 0, number 1, number 3 in that way as well as. But another way, system dot out dot println last element this way. If you want to print the all element, then you can put it in that way. I will show you the example on this page. See, guys. Okay, number value we have need to assign. This is the way. What we are doing, integer, we have assigned the variable, array variable, and then we are total the numbers dot length. This is the predefined function which is we are using, and I plus plus increment, and just printing the values and see the result. Indexing 0, 10, 1, 20, 2, 30, 30, 40. This is the way we are using the array with the loop. Okay, then go back. And this is the way array is the collection of elements, same data type is stored in the contiguous memory. Contiguous like in the sequence way. First element is filled, then we are going to the second, then third, fourth. There are the so many memory location type or memory location type, contiguous indexing. This is the completely part of the subject, but now we are this. I'm telling here about the array. This is we store the same type of data in the contiguous memory location. It allows to store multiple values in the single variable instead of the declaring separate variable for the each. So this is the single variable and multiple values. This is the way. And key feature, fixed size. Once is created, the size of the array cannot be changed. Indexing start from the 0 or goes to the n minus 1. And homogeneous element, the all element must be same type. Homogeneous, the like same type. Stored in the continuous memory, improve the performance and accessing the element. Because let's suppose one of the element in the 0 indexing, another element in the 7 index. So it will be the different to accessing. Na? We will the processing will be waste from 1 to 6 because there is no data, but the data in the array we store the data or the data stored in the configuration memory because data is accessing itchy. Single dimensional array is simple list of element. Example int number 1, 2, 3, 4. Multi-dimensional array of the array an array of arrays like a table or matrix in this way. This is the frequently at the framework level we don't use the multidimensional or this one, but I have observed that when the interviewer asks such kind of the level of questions, they might be asked the multidimensional or the kind of questions. But to be honest, at the framework level, we right now we haven't implemented the multidimensional, but most of the time use the single dimensional. This is important. You should be aware. See. Yeah, this is a single dimensional we already discussed earlier. Modify element is 280. Then the this is another example. We are declaring the 85, 90, 78, 96. Then we are printing the first element and last element, and we are changing the 78 to 80. The traversing the using for loop, the 0 and marks dot length dot I plus plus. Then value will be changed in that case. Traversing using the enhance loop like the each loop. There int marks is what we have the value is the initiated, and we will traverse iterate or we traverse the one by one. M value will be print. This is a very simple. Let I show you how it work. Let's see. I'll just this iterate the value one by one. Numbers value come here and iterating the m value is 10, 20, 30, 40. We are iterating the value in this way. If we are modifying the index value, like sorry, what we are telling you, yes, numbers, then check. See, the numbers 2 equal to 99, what will 0, 1, 2, 2 is 30, 30 is replaced to 99. This is the way value will be modified. Come to the string part. As I have go through or I have checked so many websites, this is the basic about the array. And if you have basic knowledge on the array, that is enough to go ahead. Then come to the string. String is a sequence of characters. String class in the Java. String is a sequence of character like the XYZ kind of the character. String class in Java. Strings are immutable way to create string literals and new keywords. In the Java, strings are very powerful because almost every application deal with text. Strings are immutable, meaning once created, they cannot be changed. String Java programming. System.out.println length, string.length, system.out.println uppercase, string.to uppercase, string to substring 5, string.contains Java. This is the predefined function, guys. We are just, I will tell you, see. Just I have copied here. This is the string which we have taken Java programming, and length of the string. This is the function which we are using for the string. And just see, I will Java language.string.length. Return the length of the string. The length is equal to number of unique code unit in the string. The sequence of the character sequence, length in the character sequence, length of the sequence of character represented by this string.out.println, a string dot uppercase, string dot substring 5. Substring 5 is like after the fifth length, 0, 1, 2. See, this is the value 0. It is storing the value 0, 1, 2, 3. Substring 5 is like we are starting on the 1, 2, 3, 4, or space is also counted 5. The left of the value is limited. String dot contain Java. String dot contains Java true. Contains string dot contains Java, then it true because string is contained the Java programming. String dot replace Java or Python. So Python will be replaced to Python programming the way. There is a some commonly used method signature method string length substring replace etc. This is very commonly used. And the system dot out dot println a equal to be false because string a hello or string b new string hello. First of all, we have need to understand equal is indicating the check the address of the variable, not a value, but a dot equal we check the value of the variable. Then that's why it is true or it is false. Always remember equal checks references whilst equal check the content. String builder, mutable is like changeable. First of all, we need to create the object of the string builder sb new string builder hello, sb dot append word, system dot out dot println sb hello word, sb dot reverse. This is also predefined function you have need to understand, or while the developing code or the while the writing code automation script you will understand ki sb dot append word, sb dot reverse. In this way, what it will happen if we are creating, I'll show you guys. String See, string is for hello or string is concatenate with the word. Then we are checking with the hello word will concatenate. No, value is not concatenate. If we are using the direct string builder, create the object of the string builder, then we use the string dot concatenate, then it will automatically will be concatenate. I will show you. With beauty of the string builder, string create the object of the string builder, and directly we have used the string append academy, and then we print the string, then the see the result. This is the difference. It is the mutable, or this is the mutable, it is immutable. Let's go with the topic. So there are so many functions: sv append, sv reverse. If you need to modify one string to use the string builder, it is fast and not a thread safe. A string buffer, thread safe, or not a fast. So let's hear the string. String is the immutable class in the Java, which means that once the object is created, its value cannot be changed. If you want to modify string, then you have need to create the or create object and remain unchanged string as that. And way to creating a string like string s1 hello, and using the new keyword string s2 new string and hello. This is the new stored in the heap, stored in the string pool. A way to create new keyword and the string literals. Difference: literal check it already exists in the string pool. Reuse: a new always create a new object. This new always create a new object, or it will first check it is already exist or not. This is the difference: literal or the new. Common string model methods, we already discussed: string length, string uppercase, lowercase, string character at like the string value of the 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, v, character at 2v. Substring programming 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it written the correct. This is the correct value. I'm also telling that this is correct. Substring program, but I don't know. Substring 5. Why? String dot contains check the in the whole uh, storage value, or the it will be the particular values match or not. It is all about the partial match, not exactly match. String start with the Java, yes, true, and with this is the very popular and most frequently used while developing the script. String comparison between the equal and the dot equal, which we have already discussed, and very common question also. True, same pool object, different objects. String immutability, like we can't change. Already we have discussed s dot component, it will not change. String builder and string buffer, come to the point. Fast, not thread safe, but slower. String buffer is a peer class of the string. It is immutable. Sorry, mutable in the nature. It is thread safe class. We can use it when we have multi-threaded environment and shared object of the string buffer. Example used by the multiple thread as it is thread safe. So there is extra overhead. So it is mainly used for multi-threaded program. String builder. String builder in the Java represent an alternative to string and string buffer class, as it creates a mutual sequence of characters, and it is the thread safe. It is used only within the thread. Thread is nothing, don't be confused, small kind of the program which is occur while the execution, or the multiple thread is come when we are running the program, when your execution is running just at the operating system level. If you have a basic knowledge about the operating system, that we read a lot or when we understand the thread. So there is no extra overhead. So it is the mainly used for the single threaded program, string builder. So this is the multi-threaded program. Come to the string builder. This is the object we have need to create, and we can directly use sv dot insert, sv dot replace, like 6 element to 10 element. We have need to insert the Python to hello Python world. This is the simple. We don't need to. Advanced string handling, splitting the string. This is the function. Oh, I will tell you the function also. Let's okay. Need to test this function, right? This one is the 5C8. And another is the joining string. String join string. This directly you can see a string join string, and there are the so many string we have provided, and we are just printing out here. Then see output is Java hyphen Python hyphen C++. This is the which we are using the join string. the format, string format with the help of the this the way percentage s or percentage space just it will take the value from which we provide in the parameters. Name will be replaced here and age will be replaced here. The name will be my name is C. I will write it down and show you what is the how it will work. This the way Komal is 25-year-old. The way and the converted to array convert to a character array. Character is the character of the array. As to character array, it will print the particular array of the string. Hello, it will if you s to ch is the function which we are frequently used for print or the use a particular element of the string or the array. Yes, array. Then we are using the each loop character c or ch system of outdoor print ls. What it will print c plus then c values from the character of the h c. What it will print or how it will be the entire code. I will show you. It will print the each one hello h e l l o print ln. Then it will print in the next line. What it will do, it will the character of the each array. First character, then it will come loop, then it will come, then the loop will be that way. And then come the interviewer question. This is frequently asked the way. Palindrome check. Palindrome is what? The starting when we check the any string from the starting as well as the ending from the reverse from the ending, it should be same. That is the palindrome. We have need to use directly the string builder function. String reverse new string builder string dot reverse dot to string. That means it will reverse the string. If string dot equal reverse string dot palindrome, otherwise no palindrome. Reverse value we will store here. We are using it directly in the function and it will check. That's it. We don't need to use any loop or any kind of the conditions. Just do that directly. And let I just run this the same code which I have written in the here. Why this is called this is the string. I will write a d c the palindrome. That's it. Already we have discussed the string builder reverse dot string. Then we are checking in the condition and otherwise non palindrome. Guys, if you have a basic knowledge in the string, so you know you will be right most of the ways basic in terms of question. If you are going to attend, if you are non-technical background or you don't have a basic knowledge, but you are watching this video, it will help you a lot. Count vowel and consonant. It is very important questions. Again, what we are doing, we have string, then we are considering no vowel, no consonant. Directly we will use the string function, string dot lowercase dot replace all commas in this way. Whatever then replace with the comma. Then for each loop we are using string dot string to each character. We have stored that string and then we are still checking each string. If a e i o u dot indexing of c not equal to -1, then vowels plus plus else comes consonant. Then it will print system dot out dot print vowels plus vowels and consonant. Let me show you how it will work. Okay, I can write easily this the code, but I will take a lot of time expected. See this. Okay, and then we have need to write it. Okay. The error in the string we have done the way. Okay. I have written the code outside the function. Yes, vowels is 3 and consonant is 8. This is the way. We are nothing, just we declare the vowel and consonant and we are using a directly lowercase to replace all the column. Then we are storing in the strv and character of the each array. And we are checking the vowels not indexing of the C is this value not equal to -1 and vowels plus else consonant. Then it will storing the value that way. Vowel equal to vowel and consonant. That's the beauty of the way we are using the vowel separately and consonant. I think this is the last about the string and so I will suggest you guys of the basic or medium question. Please search on the Google or somewhere else and try to try to implement that code. If you feel any doubt, anything, then comment in comment section. I will try to help out here. The string is very important in the automation framework. Very important. You should be knowledge string and array. Thank you so much. You are watching my video. Thank you so much, guys. If you have any query concerns, so please reach out to me at statacademy@gmail.com.